Today I'm going to show you how to get started making a new event, choosing a template, and checking out the capabilities of the full featured package. To start with creating a floor plan, click on this link from the Expo FP homepage. It'll send you down here, and you'll need to choose a name for your event and enter your email address. Don't worry though, you can change the name of your event later if you'd like. If you already have an account, you can use the same link or go to your dashboard and click Add New Plan. Once you've entered the name of your event and your email, click Create Plan and sign up. Here, enter a password, your name, and your company name. Agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy and click on Start Floor Plan Designer. And then you'll go here. Here you will need to decide whether you want to start with a sample venue, using a blank page, or using an actual venue template. With the sample venue, you start with sample booths and stages so you can modify the existing layout instead of starting from scratch. You might want to use a sample venue if you don't have a location for your event yet and just want to get started. It's perfect for trying out booth reservations, assigning sample exhibitors, etc. If later you decide to add a venue template, you can then copy your design, create a new floor plan with the venue, and paste it. Moving on, select a blank venue if you want to start completely from scratch. Please note that this sample exhibitors and other data option is not available with the blank venue. With the blank venue, you start with nothing but grids where you can then start placing booths. So that's the sample venue and blank options, but let's say you want a venue template. We have templates for dozens of the top venues around the world here already inputted, and we are constantly updating our templates library. So if we don't have your venue yet, we'll be happy to add it. Just let us know which one you need via the chat button. Start typing the name of your venue and choose it from a drop-down menu. If we have your template in our system, you'll see the preview on the right. We recommend clicking Add Sample Exhibitors and Other Data if you are creating a floor plan for the very first time. That way you'll be able to see what things are generally going to look like, and you have some things to work with. Go ahead and click Load Template. With the selected venue template, your designer will look like this. Now, templates don't come with sample booths already inserted, so zoom into a hall and you can drag and drop booths as simply as this. I will tell you, however, about the grid, which will be relevant right now. The grid will help you align the booths and other objects correctly. It's currently hidden behind the halls. In order to see it, you need to go to Layer Area Map, click on the I button, click on the hall, and make your opacity something like 0.2. And now you can see the grid to create other booths. You can adjust it down here. You can turn on and off Snap to Grid, and you can change from meters to feet. You'll see then, it makes it a lot easier to move your booths around and make them look nice. So I'll move on from that and show you a little bit about the view box. By default, when a user first opens the floor plan, they'll see the entire venue. It's recommended then to set the view box to see just the hall or halls where your event is taking place first. Then it will be zoomed in automatically when the plan is loaded, and when you zoom out, you can see the rest of the venue and the area map. So we'll click on Layers and Elements again, and click on the I and Lock buttons next to the view box so that we can see it and so that we can adjust it. Now let's say your event is only in hall A, B, and C. You simply make the view box the correct size, and that is what a user will see when they first open the floor plan, just that area. So that's just a couple of things to get you started. After you've made changes to your plan, don't forget to always save those changes by clicking here on the Save button. The system will give you a 7-day trial to test our capabilities. The only limitation is collecting payments. The amount is limited to $5 during this trial. Here are some other things you might want to check out while you do have the trial. If you click on exhibitors, you can import and export exhibitors, you can fill out profiles, and you can generally see what sample exhibitors would look like. Under booths, you can set prices and you can hold booths. Go to reservations and you can set the details for extras and sponsorship options. Down here, there's a lot of different general settings for a variety of things, including for sending automated emails. And down here, you can find out different ways to integrate the map onto your website. When the 7-day trial is over, to continue using the floor plan at the same level, choose a subscription package and upgrade to continue using your floor plan. So I hope that helps get you started feeling more comfortable with your dashboard. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to Expo FP if we can help you in any way.